Started with a plan drawn clean and true. AutoCAD lines show what we do. Built for pressure, built to last. Every measure holding fast. Rhinoceros shapes the armored frame. Form and function share one name. From digital to solid ground, strength is coded in the sound. Rubber outsole to grip the floor, ready for the work and more. Pillow midsole to shock control, power in every step we hold. Mesh and vinyl, light but tough. Toe cap composite, strong enough. Move with confidence, stand your ground. Safety build where strength is found. Crispin maps the upper skin, locking comfort deep within. Rhino KM, GCode run, CNC cuts till work is done. No weak points, no design guess. Only purpose, only progress. From factory floor to daily grind, protection leads, performance follows behind. Rubber outsole, grip the floor, ready for the work and more. Pull-on midsole to shock control, power in every step we hold. Mesh and vinyl, light but tough. Toe cap composite, strong enough. Move with confidence, stand your ground. Safety built where strength is found. Photoshop frames the final view, every detail sharp and true. Premiere cuts the motion clean, design and power seen but unseen. From 2D lines to 3D steel, safe